Your home is one of your greatest investments. When it comes to protecting your home and family from intrusion or violent natural conditions, there's nothing like rolling shutters from Fortified. Our rolling shutters are compatible with most smart home systems and can be deployed with the touch of a button. Rest assured you've done all you can to keep your home or office safe with our laboratory-tested, hurricane-rated products. You can find us on our website or our RCAT page, or you can give us a call on our toll-free number. We'll gladly put you in touch with one of our nationwide networks of windstorm professionals for a consultation. Fortified building products in beautiful Pensacola, Florida. Would love the opportunity to earn your business.